Have you just bought a new TP-Link router and don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this complete A to Z guide, I will show you exactly how to set up your TP-Link Wi-Fi router step by step. Whether it's your first router or you are replacing an old one, this tutorial covers everything you need to get online in just a few minutes. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. Let's connect everything. Now unlock your phone and connect with the password from the back of the router. Then open any browser and enter the 192.168.1.1 IP address. Set a new password and click here. Then set your time zone. Then tap PPPoE, username and password, which was given to you by your ISP provider, network name and Wi-Fi password. Then wait for connection test. If it's over, simply tap next. Tap next. Again tap next. And redirect your page. Connect with the new router with the new updated password. Now, how to enable 5G? Open browser again. Type router local password and tap login. Now tap three lines. Tap wireless. Tap wireless settings. Untick smart connect. Type network name. Type password and tap save. Now you connect your phone with 5G network. That's it. Now you know how to set up a TP-Link router from A to Z. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.